get 6 hours of work out the way and then off to Barumba. Rain, hail or shine fishing, our cat and bass stacks. Creek bash is loaded. Full up. No backseat in here, just gear. Got the creek basher rod so I don't break anything good. TD Neros, Daiwa. I've heard that they're TD Blacks. Rebranded, so still got the Vanford reels. Frog, spinnerbait, jig spinner, excuse the messy car. About to hit the open road. Rain, hail or shine fishing. El Cap and bass sacks, chasing the cod, bass, yellow belly, sooties. All the good stuff up north this weekend. Yeehaw. Finally here, Barumba campgrounds, home for a few days. Yep. Nice. First one of the trip. Only a little tuck up, but it's nice to be on the board so quickly. See, mate, thank you. Uh-oh. I knew that was a dangerous cast. Lost him. Yep. Sooty. First ever sooty, or first decent size sooty. You can tell they got teeth, so the old flatty finger working a charm. Glad I brought it with me. First decent size sooty. It's only, you know, 30, but Yeah, good little fight. Awesome. He's unfortunately not native to this area, so I'll be dispatching him humanely. And they must be spawning because there's cum everywhere. Not too bad, 35 centimetres. $36. Happy with that. Pretty happy with the start. Couple of bass, or one bass and one bricked me. Yeah, I'll dispatch this sooty. I'm going to eat that one. Just because I've never eaten a sooty, so yeah, why not? No point letting it go to waste. Probably should still be fishing, it's prime time, but excuse that little bit of fog. Figure out what that is. Back to camp. Yeah, welcome back. Rain, hail or shine fishing. I'm cutting bass sacks. I'm up at Barumba this weekend, fishing Yabba Creek and the Mary River. Maybe a go out to Gympie, Kenilworth. I'm away till Monday, so just in the Yabba Creek behind the campgrounds where I caught my first ever bass, just up there on a cicada. Hooked for life, no pun intended. I was on a Redcliffe Kayak Cartel toga camp out. They'd never met me or heard of me, and I just rocked up. I was going to wear a toga actually, one of them, just the bed sheet, just so their first impression of me was, who the hell is this guy? I think they think that now anyway, but I think anyone who knows me does. Yeah, I'm going to have a little paddle around in here. Apparently there's a whole heap of small bass in here. The damn wall's just up there, so some big movement going on though. It could be toga. Then yeah, we'll be hitting this. The river runs all through there, all the way to Imble and to the Mary River. It's a long way, we won't be doing that, but while I'm here I'm going to be just doing little sections of it. Keep going back to camp, have a feed, go back out. Probably burn a lot of petrol, not really ideal. Petrol's friggin' expensive. Yeah, I'll stop jabbering on. It's Saturday morning. Great to be out here. Love my solo camping and fishing trips. Chad's meeting me up here from Sunshine Coast Kayak Cartel, so we'll get into a few hopefully. Maybe find another sooty. That was my target species and I already got that yesterday. Wouldn't mind a toga. Mary River cod would just cap life off, wouldn't it? 60, 70 centimetre model of that. I'd be jizzing harder than that sooty in me kayak last night, which you'll see. Horny little bugger got semen all over my kayak. But anyway, yep, leave it with me. I'm gonna go have an explore and wait for Chad to get into it. I'm catting bass sacks, rain, hail or shine fishing. Hashtag weapon of bass destruction. Just shows the creek basher set up. Got the creek rods, TD Neros, jig spinner, spinnerbait and the finesse frog, the amphids. Dial frames on a TD0, that's my finesse frog rod. Yeah, got the sounder now, hooked up by Rodzilla. It's me dry storage, all my camera gear, battery up front, nice skull drag net. Plenty of tackle, that bag's full of tackle in the bottom of it. That's got tackle and some drinks in the bottom, bit of food. That'll get me through a few hours fishing. Get into it. Yep. Jeez, they go hard for little tackers, bro.
Oh, the little ones go harder than the big ones.
Another little Yabba Creek bass. been toying with me all morning. I've only been out here 10 minutes, but jeez, he's hoofed it. Only a baby, but geez, you see how hard they hit. Yep. A little baby. Still take it. See, mate. Yep. Oh. Go find the lagoon. Holy sh! Nice pull beyond it. Yep. I didn't even think it was close enough to the snag. What are you doing with them in the air? This one's a bit better, bro. A little bit better, nothing huge.
You got one already?
Yeah.
Alright. A little bigger.
Yeah. Got to stop. Might run out of video card.
What's that?
Oh, memory card. Oh, hit. I've got another spare one on me. Yep. Bit better, I think.
Better?
Much better. 30. They're healthy, eh? They look real good condition. The sharp point jig head, jig spinner there. It's a TT jig spinner, sharp point jig head, and gold flake slim swim, killer. Another little bass. There you go. There's no path or anything. Well, kind of is. It's worth it though. I got
I'm on. Something decent.
Really?
Yeah, it's fucking big. Whatever it is. Pulling drag. Probably just a bass.
I hope it's a big soot or something.
Yeah, it's just a good bass.
Nice, bro.
Out here, you bastard.
He's trying to get you in all sorts. Oh, that's a good bass. Nice, brother. Watch your trail line.
Oh yeah, I might suck that in actually.
Good bass, bro. Very nice bass. Show us the camera quickly. He's a horse for in here, so from what we've seen. Well done. Nice one. That was a good fight too, bro.
Yeah, I could, yeah. You can just, well, that's not a small one.
Was he on the bottom or higher to the surface?
No, it's just fucking probably mid-water.
Yeah.
It's hanging out. It is, what have we got here? It is 39
39.
on the dot.
There you go, people. 39. Yabba Creek. Not bad. Yep. Yeah. Nothing too serious. Another good healthy bass. Been getting a few, they're all pretty small. Chad's still got fish of the day with a 39. Yeah, I'll save this one just because I want to save the footage from coming down through there. Beautiful little paddle. Hang on, mate, hang on. Hello. I got something alright here. No. A bit better of a fish. Another little bass. A bit bigger than what I've been catching, so give you a look at this one. Getting plenty of babies, but nothing of any size really. That's about 30. See, mate.